Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Lake Mary Local, local and long-distance movers near me. Moving over 50 miles from your current location is a long-distance move. We work with a team of expert movers that handle your belongings with caution. Our trucks are ideal for transporting items over long distances. They secure and protect your belongings throughout the trip. The safety of your belongings is crucial, and we guarantee the security of every one of your items. A local move can be as complex as long-distance moves and require adequate preparation. We plan to prevent delays, damages to items, and mistakes. Although local moves are generally cheap, we provide the most affordable local moves anywhere. We charge between $30 to $40 per hour for moving labor. Hiring your local movers service means that you get to save money. Locals enjoy the best service at affordable rates. Ask them to recommend reliable moves. We are their first choice. We are fast, efficient, and have excellent customer relationships. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Lake Mary Local moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.